Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce Italian-only way. Start by grating fresh Parmesan and measuring heavy cream and unsalted butter. Melt the butter gently, then add cream and simmer lightly while stirring. Whisk in Parmesan gradually until smooth and glossy, and season with salt and cracked black pepper to taste. Keep the heat low so the sauce stays silky and does not separate. Warm and conversational, here are key techniques to master silky Alfredo sauce. Maintain low heat throughout, whisking as you add grated Parmesan slowly into warmed cream and melted butter. Avoid boiling to prevent separation, and remove the pan from heat just before it reaches your desired thickness. Let the sauce rest for a minute or two so it settles and becomes glossy, then toss immediately with hot, cooked pasta for even coating. Quick recommendation: if you like multitasking in the kitchen, the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free timers to life while you cook. It's compact, sounds surprisingly good, and saves you a greasy phone moment when stirring Alfredo. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. I've included a short note there. If that's useful, please subscribe and like, and now let's get back to the video. For flavor enhancements that complement the classic base, use freshly cracked black pepper and a light pinch of nutmeg to brighten the cream. Stir in finely chopped parsley at the end to introduce a fresh herbal note and visual contrast. Avoid heavy garlic or many spices that mask the Parmesan. These gentle tweaks preserve the sauce's integrity while adding depth, making every bite balanced and authentically Italian for pasta or proteins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.